Entrupy question time. So how does Entrupy put up its results?
There are only two main results that Entrupy classifies on a bag: authentic and unidentified. Apparently, when Entrupy's AI evaluates a bag to be authentic, it simply means that the parts of the bag scanned has been compared to their database of millions of records of both authentic and counterfeit bags, meaning the bag has no similarities with counterfeit products, but instead matches majority to the records of authentic bags. It is therefore entitled automatically to be certified by Entrupy. Pretty straightforward. On the other hand, if the device classifies a bag to be unidentified, it means the algorithms found out that there are inconsistencies with similar authentic items. Therefore, they wouldn't be able to issue you certificates but will instead offer you a letter of evidence which comes with a separate charge. Bottom line is, Entrupy does not classify bags directly for them to be counterfeit because the AI compares its data gathered from Entrupy's database alone. What do you think about these types of classifications? Let us know down in the comments below.